So when I was early 20s, I started to get swelling under my eyes and around my ankles. So that ended up effectively leading to finding out that I had nephrotic syndrome. So I was given a number of different medications, which effectively stabilized it, I guess, to a degree, but it was always slowly on the decline. At 35, I had an accident on my ankle, which effectively took me into hospital. By the time the ambulance crew had arrived, they gave me morphine, which kicked off an acute pancreatitis issue while I was in the hospital. It was then that the doctors had said that my EGFR number had dropped to 54, which effectively means that my overall kidney function was sat at 54%. That effectively meant that I'd be on dialysis maybe in 6 to 8 years' time if it continued to decline at 3, 4, 5% a year. Having a daughter that was only kind of 5, 6 months old at the time and kind of having a massive reality check at the time, those 3 nights when I was in hospital, I decided to do an almighty amount of studies across the internet and research. I was reading more and more about the Eastern way of doing things, that there was solutions out there. The story around the kidney coach resembled the most with me. I generally watched that video and thought that's exactly the journey that I've been on. So effectively there was the kidney tablets, which I take through the kidney coach, the 2 tablets, the prime and the advance. And alongside my kidney coach mentor, shall I say, that I've been able to email Stephanie. I log into her all of my results every 6 months when I get my numbers back for blood, urine, etc. And she'll do my EGFR number. When I joined up and got all of the diet, I got all of the menus, I got all the yoga, I got all of the meditation techniques, everything that can help support your kidney function. Alongside that, I changed to plant diet because that had a number of benefits for kidneys as well. The Nana's tea for me was just something else that I just do twice a day, along with drinking a lot more water. And I feel like it's making a huge difference to my life, mentally and physically.
Over 4 months, you said your EGFR has gone up to 70.
Yes, 70, which is huge. 16 points it's gone up. I have felt a significant higher amount of energy. I started to lose a significant amount of weight, 6 kilos to 8 kilos over that 4-month journey. All my life, I've accepted that everything I do in life is to slow down the decline of my kidney disease. The thing that attracted me the most is that the video told me I could reverse it. That's what made me follow this journey. And it's not just the kidney coach. The kidney coach is the key element. There's a number of lifestyle changes that need to support that, like the plant diet, along with the kidney coach tablets and Nana's tea. They're the 3 fundamentals. The breathing, the meditation, the sport, the exercise, everything around it, then all helps probably gain the little marginal gains. The biggest thing for me is it isn't just there's your tablets, away you go. I can go to Stephanie at any time of the day and she'll reply within 24 hours. There's no question too big and there's no question too small. Whether I'm sending all my blood and urine results and her calculating my EGFR, or whether I'm asking if bananas are safe, she'll answer that question. And that's where you feel, that's the USP. That's the difference, is that you feel like you're not on your own.
There are many natural therapies available. Combined with appropriate dietary and lifestyle changes, you can both reverse kidney damage and protect from further damage to your kidneys in the future. Get an effective step-by-step program proven to start healing your kidneys today. Take action by clicking the link below. You'd be surprised how well this works.
If you're ready to take action, click on the link below this video now.